In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. If you want to manage all haptic feedback options this Samsung has to offer, don't worry, I got you. To do that, start by opening Settings. Then scroll to click on Sounds and Vibration. Now it's time to click Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound right next to Vibrate and use the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Now scroll. Tap on Call Vibration here. Pick one of those patterns to apply the best one for your incoming calls. And also adjust intensity of it thanks to this slider at the top. To disable it completely, select Silent. After you go back, tap on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, just this time for your notifications. Go back again, tap on System Vibration and use all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations feedback for them. Adjust intensity of haptic feedback thanks to this slider at the top. Then go back and last but not least, tap on Vibration Intensity section to adjust intensity for incoming calls, notifications, system, and media vibrations. All of it thanks to those sliders. Then use the switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!